Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall CallRail tracking numbers, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall CallRail tracking numbers, begin by logging into your CallRail account. Navigate to the Numbers tab on the left-hand sidebar. Locate the tracking number you wish to uninstall from the list provided. Click on the tracking number to access its settings. Once in the settings, look for the More drop-down menu in the top right corner. Select Delete Number from the drop-down options. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Review the information and confirm that you want to delete the tracking number. Once confirmed, the number will be removed from your account. Next, check any integrations you may have set up with the tracking number. If you integrated the number into your website, make sure to remove it from the code. Access your website's backend or content management system. Find the sections where the CallRail number was implemented. Remove the specific CallRail tracking code or scripts associated with that number. Save your changes and republish your website if necessary. Finally, test your website to ensure that everything is functioning correctly without the tracking number. This will complete the uninstallation process for your CallRail tracking numbers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.